Are you looking for the top 5 heavy-duty RV carports you need? Which heavy-duty RV carport is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the right answer. Today, we're breaking down the top options to help you protect your investment.
Product number 1, Adventure Sika Ground Anchors. First up is the Adventure Sika Ground Anchors. What caught my eye was the heavy-duty steel and the unique spiral blade design. Priced at $28.97, if you want rock-solid stability for your RV or tent setup, this is worth a serious look. These ground anchors are designed to screw into the soil with ease. The thick spiral blades penetrate through tough terrain, so whether you're on rocky ground or soft soil, they keep your setup secure. With a full helix structure, they grip the ground better, which means no more worrying about your RV getting moved by strong winds. And since they're rust-resistant, you can trust these anchors will hold up for years. Now, some users mentioned that they found the installation a bit challenging in extremely hard soil. Here's the thing though, as long as you have a decent drill, you should be fine, and the peace of mind you get knowing your RV is anchored down is worth it. This is perfect for you if you often camp in windy conditions or just want extra security for your outdoor setups. Skip this one if you need something that can be in.
Product number 2, Garfatal RV Aluminum Ground Anchors. Next, we have the Garfatal RV Aluminum Ground Anchors. Priced at $35.99, these anchors caught my attention with their lightweight aluminum design, but don't let that fool you, they're built to last. The premium aluminum construction means they won't rust or bend easily, making them perfect for long-term use. They come in different sizes with 11.81-inch and 7.87-inch options, giving you flexibility depending on your outdoor needs. With large pointed pegs, you can drive these into hard ground without any hassle, providing stability for everything from tents to RVs. Plus, they're designed to withstand high winds, so you know they'll hold your setup securely. However, a few users noted that the smaller size might not be as sturdy in very soft or sandy ground. But here's my take. If you're using them in stable soil, they can work wonders, and they're definitely a good option for most outdoor situations. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable anchoring solution for varied outdoor setups.
Product number 3, GoTruth Canopy Replacement Cover. Now, let's talk about the GoTruth Canopy Replacement Cover. At $89.98, this cover stands out with its heavy-duty, waterproof 800D Oxford fabric, designed specifically for 10x20 frames. What I love about this cover is its robustness against the elements. The waterproof material ensures that your vehicles are protected from rain and snow, while the reinforced edges prevent tearing, which is crucial when dealing with wind. The included ball bungees secure it tightly to the frame, so you won't have to worry about it flapping around. Plus, its large size makes it versatile for parking or outdoor events. One downside is that this is just the top cover. You'll need to have the frame already. Some users found that frustrating, but here's the thing. If you already have a frame, this cover is a game changer for keeping your RV protected. This is perfect for you if you want a durable and reliable option for your existing carport. Skip this if you need a full carport setup, as it only includes the cover. For the quality, it's an excellent mid-range option.
Product number 4, Westnoy Heavy-Duty Canopy. Next up is the Westnoy Heavy-Duty Canopy, which you can grab for just $54.99. What impressed me was its adaptability to most 12x20 frames. This canopy is crafted from heavy-duty PE fabric, making it tear-resistant and water-resistant. If you've ever dealt with a flimsy cover, you know how important this is for protecting your RV or outdoor gear. It comes with 50 ball bungees for easy attachment to the frame, so setting it up isn't a hassle. Plus, its spacious design makes it perfect for family activities or even outdoor parties. However, some customers mentioned that the sizing can be a bit off. Here's my perspective. Just make sure to double-check your frame dimensions before ordering, and you'll be fine. For those who need a dependable cover without breaking the bank, this one hits the mark. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a versatile and cost-effective solution for your outdoor setup. Skip this if you have a non-standard frame size, as it might not fit well. For $54.99,
Product number 5, Rutile 10x20 Canopy Cover. Last but not least, we have the Rv 10x20 carport canopy cover, priced at $89.99. This one made an impression with its industrial-grade heavy-duty PE fabric. It's designed to withstand all sorts of weather conditions, so you can trust that your vehicles will stay safe and sound. The included bungee cords help secure it tightly to the frame, and it's easy to install, which is a big plus for those who don't want to spend hours struggling with setup. Whether you're using it for a carport or outdoor events, it has you covered. One thing to note is that it's only the top cover, so if you're looking for a complete package, this isn't the right choice. But if you're just replacing an old cover, this is a solid option. It definitely gives you the durability you need without the hefty price tag. This is perfect for you if you need a robust replacement cover without needing the entire frame. Skip this if you require.
So to wrap it up, the Adventure Sika ground anchors are great for stability, while the Garfatoral aluminum anchors offer flexibility. The Go Truth canopy cover delivers durability, and the Westnoy canopy is a budget-friendly, versatile solution. Lastly, the Rutile canopy is perfect for replacements. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs best.